everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today guys, we're going to do a budget fitness video. Now I wanted to do this video because guys, I started working out again recently since I stopped working my last job that I usually do. Now I'm just working from home at a different job, and I want to make sure that I am staying healthy, I am working out again. So I got a couple of things to help me with that. Whenever I work out, I love visuals. I love little help aid to help me stay motivated. So I do go out and shop for a couple of things. If you've watched my channel for a while now, you've seen that I did get a couple of fitness things. You've seen my little mini home gym that I got. I have those, and I've actually bought a couple of new little things which I haven't showed you guys, but I'll try to put pictures up on Instagram for you guys to see it. If you haven't already followed me on Instagram, you'll see a lot of pictures that I post on there. I may not necessarily do a video for it on YouTube. So I wanted to show you guys a few new little things that I've got overall. So let's get started. Now, one thing I wanted to do guys in the beginning is get an Apple Watch, but don't have that kind of money and everything. I try my best to keep it on budget now. So I found the alternative to that, as well as I got a few other things. One thing you will see me spend some money on guys is a Nike shoes. I always get one just about every year to get a new one to make sure that that helps me, my posture. I do go running or walking, so that helps me out a lot, make sure I don't get any injuries. So I do invest in those, and I get those on sale as well. So guys, if you do shop for Nike shoes or Nike products, go ahead and try looking at Finish Line. That is one place I do get the discounts, or at the Nike stores when they're having discounts. One of the things I did used to do is buy Nike workout wear, top, leggings, but those are so expensive. Usually I spend between $50 to $100 per piece on them, and when they're on sale, between $25 to $30. So that was a lot of money for just a pair of leggings and a workout top. So I wanted to show you guys a couple of things you can do to get discounts and to stay fit with a lot of products that pretty much do what you need them to do without the price tag attached to it. First thing I want to show you guys is what I'm wearing right here. This is my iTech Fusion watch. This was my alternative to the Apple Watch, guys. So for this, I got it at Walmart. It's iTech Fusion smartwatch, and it's Android or iOS compatible. So if you have an Apple or Android, you're good to go. And I already opened this, guys. I'm going to show you guys how it came in the package, opening it. So actually my sister showed me this. I didn't even see it at first. So when she was going by the watches, she saw this multi-sports function, only include outdoor cycling, indoor cycling, running, hiking, football, tennis, golf, or basketball. So if you're doing any of those, it's great because I run or walk, so that worked out great for me. And it does have some cool essential features on it. And the cool thing about that I really love about this is the sedentary reminder is to remind yourself to get up. One thing I do is I work at home all day on a computer, so I'll forget to get up sometime. But wearing this, it'll remind me throughout the day, hey, get up and move. And I make sure I set up a timer where I actually do a light workout for about 5 to 10 minutes every time it tells me to get up and move, so I make sure that I do get my body up moving. You do notice the difference, guys, when you get up, if you've been sitting all day, how it feels to get up and get yourself moving. It also helps, you can control your music on there. I listen to music whenever I work out, so that works out great for me. And the other feature that I really use on there is the sleep monitor, because it tells me how long I've been in sleep, tells you if you're in deep sleep, light sleep, when you're awake. So I love this. So it helps me track if I'm sleeping or not, which I need to get more sleep. It comes with charging USB station, so you go ahead if you need to charge it. It does say on here that it is up to 30-day battery life. I just started wearing this about a week ago, and it's in about 50%. So for this, I'm going to actually show you guys. When you get this, you have to get the app. I have the app on here, so it tells you how much I've moved. Clearly, I haven't moved this morning at all because I've been sitting here and recording videos. And it tells you actually have it on here where it tells you your sleep, all the little screen to tell you what you've been doing. And it also has water intake. I don't think I mentioned this, but it does have water intake on here. Every time you drink a cup of water, which I actually need to add a cup of water on here. So it tells you that, hey, if you're dehydrated or not dehydrated, which is really cool. And you have to set this up. You go on your profile, you see how many calories, hours of sleep, and you set up your profile. You have to put in your age, female or male, your height, your weight, weight and your step length, what it helps you calculate as well. And you go on here, you set your goals, sleep, steps, as well as water intake for you to say how much you're going to take for the day. At the time I'm making this video, guys, so it's in about 49% use of the battery life. So I want to say with the battery life, it's going to last you about 2 weeks. Charge it completely full. When I got it, I charged it completely. Now on the back, it tells you the price. This was $34.88 plus tax. Not bad at all compared to the Apple Watch. That's hundreds of dollars. And you have your little instruction papers on here. I do like how light it is. It's really cool to wear. You barely notice that it's on, and it just tracks everything for me all day. So guys, I'm gonna be wearing this until I can afford to upgrade to the Apple Watch. So the other thing I wanted to show you guys was a few fitness outfits. Now for these, I went to Burlington, Ross, and Walmart. So these are great places to get actually fitness for discounts and not having to break the bank, and they work just as fine, guys. Now I got these little workout shirts at Walmart. They're easy to work out with, and the cool thing about Walmart is they're always having sales, guys. Each of these were $2 a piece, so I only paid $6 for these 3 pieces of clothes. Another place to go to is Ross. Ross is one of my favorite places to go shop for different things because of how cheap things are when you go there. I got these legging pants for $6.99, and they come with a cell phone pocket. So if you guys want cell phone pocket, they even have a mesh design on the side. So if you want to go ahead and get a little bit more designer, then you're good to go. And these are great little workout pants, and this is Embrace Your Love. And also I was able to get these other pants. These are a little bit more thicker, so they'd be great for winter, I feel like, when it started getting colder. And these were $3.49. So 2 workout leggings, I got $6.99 plus $3.49, so about $10-12 for those. Now the other workout outfit I got was at Burlington, and I got 2 sets. And these are performance leggings. Thought it'd be really great to wear. And the top, the only thing about the top is it's not really a bra workout top. It's just a top to put over your bra when your workout bra when you put it on. So these were $8.99. These are active wear as well, and these are leggings. And this is a crop top sweater, so this would be more for towards the cold season that I wear these. So all these clothes, guys, there are a couple of workout clothes that I got, were not expensive. None of them cost me more than $10 a piece, which was the best thing about it. So if you're looking for workout clothes and you're on a budget like me, go to Walmart, go to Burlington, and go to Ross. I know Marshalls and TJ Maxx has also some choices you can pick, but I don't go to those stores that often. So these would be stores as well. You could go get clothes for a discounted price and still stay on budget. Now, one last thing I want to show you guys is something I do to detox, guys. Now, if you haven't seen these or haven't used those before, this is something I always do. I get these at Ross, TJ Maxx, or Burlington. So either one of those, you'll find great discount for them, and that's where you find them. These are foot detox pads. So what I do is whenever they're having sale, I pick them up. The cool thing about these is they have them for different purposes. So when you go shop for them, pick the ones that you want. So I got the melatonin bamboo detox. I also got this one. This is the green tea foot detox. So this one is just pure detoxing your body, and this one helps enhance metabolism and disabsorb toxins. And this one is detoxifying foot pad, and this removes heavy metal. So these usually are one of my favorite ones to get to remove heavy metal. If you notice you're feeling tired all the time, even though you're getting enough sleep, you're having a lot of issues, skin issues, you're just not feeling well, all these things, there could be a sign that your body has a lot of heavy metal in it. I do drink a lot of natural juice. If you guys seen on my channel, I made juice from fruits and veggies all the time. I drink those, but I also realize like the food you eat, you can't control everything. So sometimes I will feel pretty bad, and when I feel bad, I'll go and grab a couple of these guys. What I do is usually if I'm not feeling too well, I'll use it for about 3 times for the week and feel instantly better. The next day after I use one of these, I instantly feel better. And when you put it on, if your body's not doing too well, you'll feel it pulling the toxin at first. If you're feeling feeling really bad, I can say that sometimes I feel really bad and I go and put one of these patches on, I can instantly feel the bottom of my feet pulsing. You can feel it pulling, just draining your body, and it doesn't feel bad. It's just you feel the pulse, and the next day you're more awake, you feel better, you have more energy. So these guys, whenever I see them, usually I do find some for about $1.99 or cheaper. Sometimes they're on sale, but if they're on sale, I grab them. Always keep them around because I use them pretty much for the month. I'll use this at least every 2 weeks out of the month. I try to do about 3 of these every week, so that way I have 2 weeks that I did 6 days of this to help my body out a lot. So guys, this is my budget fitness haul. I did go to a couple of the stores to grab these. You'll find great little tools to work out. The point of getting healthy to me is keeping your body healthy, getting your body healthy, and eating a lot of nutritious food and adding some supplements to make sure that you are staying healthy. Tech, clothes, they do help you out to get you to your goal. But guys, always remember, you want to spend most of that money on food and actually keeping your body healthy instead of putting it on high tech. So if you guys have any tech that you use where that you get even a discount on clothes you can tell us about, definitely comment down below and let us know. And if you have anything else that you do, like those foot detox pads that I do, definitely comment down below and let us know about those. Of course, give this video a thumbs up if this information helped you out, guys. It definitely helps my channel out a lot. Leave all of your comments down below. Don't forget, if you haven't already, subscribe to my channel and click that little notification bell so you'll know when we have new videos that are coming out. Of course, always leave all of your comments down below, any comments, guys, and go over and watch my last video.